Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having another seafood boil. I got this seafood from the local fish shop out of Mount Druitt. The eggs, well, they were laid by some chickens. Anyway, I got some lobster tail, I got boiled eggs, I have corn, mussels, New Zealand mussels, that's the Greenlip mussels. And I boiled it not too long, but I seasoned the water with all sorts of seasons that I can find inside my pantry, and I added a whole lot of butter. So see the yellow rim? Yeah, that's a lot of butter, but I still warmed me up some butter and garlic. Okay, so that's what's in this little tub here. So I gotta do my prayer, guys, and get this going. Guys, I have it's funny when I gotta put my that's all the shells. So I'll put this here. I'll put some tissue papers in it so you know it doesn't make too much cling noise. And I'll bring my butter right here beside me. And I should get paper towels because I know it's gonna make some dribble. Some dribble mess. So that goes there, and my drink today is cordial. It's fruit cup cordial from Coots, and it's Kangen water inside. That's the best drink so far that I've been drinking, is plain Kangen water and cordial. So cheers guys. Ooh, I made it nice today. Anyway, so I want to show you guys how big this lobster tail is. Okay. You know. Anyway, the egg rolled away. But I'm gonna eat it, guys. Yeah. It looks safe enough. Okay, getting back to what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Look at this. Faye. The poor thing was in the water not too long ago, and it got caught, and now I'm gonna eat it. Egg first. I know, you guys thinking, of all the lovely things there, she goes for the egg first. I seasoned the water real good. Yep, I put so much love in it. So much love in it, guys. So much love. I'm gonna dip it in the butter. I already checked the mussels if it had any little, like those baby crabs. Because sometimes inside the mussels they have the little baby crabs. Look at this, guys. This is another one, but I halved up the lobster tail. Right. Anyway, guys, yeah, take a bite. I made sure I didn't overcook it because it's no good. It gets rubbery when you overcook it. Look, dip it in the butter. But look, I put so much butter in it after it came out of the boil up. Okay. sort this out. Look at that. Ta-da! Look at that. I think I'm going to do a thumbnail. I feel so privileged. Praise the Lord for this beautiful food. Oh, it's going to get messy. I made some for my son as well. My husband, no. Time to dig it in again. The butter's so lovely. I pour garlic and a little bit of chicken stock in here. Guys, that's delicious. Oh, I have a potato down here too. I've tried eating it with the skin. I don't know. I just can't do it. Dip this in the butter. Hey guys. Just so lovely. So delicious. Anyway, dip into the butter. This is a party all by myself. Have another mussel. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Trying to be undercover. Yeah, there's photos. They're here. Sometimes you got to be careful with the shell because it can stick on, and while you're enjoying your food you can chew on it as well. Last Sunday my children booked us a get together at the seafood restaurant out in Blakehurst. That's Blakehurst, New South Wales, near town. Usually it's not easy to get our 12 kids together because of work commitments and stuff like that. But our daughters, Metua and Sharon, they got together and they round up the troop, well, the gang. Yes, a gang. I must a gang. Yeah, so they got their siblings together and grandkids. See, this is why I know the sauce is good. Mangaya. That means it's yummy. I had a whole lot of onions in the sauce, but I boiled I really wanted the sauce to bubble hard and get all that flavor rolling around, right? Look at all the butter, because I put a lot of butter on here, and that's what it is. That's what's dribbling out, guys. Here, have another bite. When you're living in New Zealand and you can get this free, you're lucky. You're blessed. But us, we gotta pay for this. But I don't mind to pay for good food. Never mind. I buy it. I always pay for good food. Even if it's expensive, I'll buy it. Because when you love food, you spend. Anyway, I hope you guys got something to eat. Hope you guys are all well. Thank you God for this beautiful food. I got my daughter Geneva tested for COVID the other day. Yep, she stayed home because she wasn't feeling well. So the teacher texted and said, your daughter's away today, what's the reason? So I said, listen here woman, my little princess, she's at home sick. So she texted me back and said that she's gonna ring me, and she rang me. And she said, my daughter gotta get tested. So we went down to my group, lined up, there was about 3 people in front of us. Got it done. 2 days later, we got a text. It's negative, she can go back to school. So at the moment, whenever you get a cough and stuff like that, and you're around like school and that, the teachers by law, they have to send people off to go and get tested, and so it should be like that. Better safe than sorry. Oh, I haven't had corn. Pork corn. It's the first thing I cook. I didn't serve it up. Because I emptied out the water. It's not supposed to, but I did. Well, look how big it is. And then when it gets, when someone touches it, and it's alive, it flaps. This part. and flapped like it wants to fight you so badly to be free. What about those people that's going to, like they're offering tests, you know, people to come and get tested? You know, like they're going to be, you know, they're trying out the cure on people, and people volunteer to go and do it, you know, because they know they're under good care at the hospital. So if they're going to be in any trouble, they're at the right place getting it done. They should, they just want to help in any way to try and get a cure going, so our lives can go back to normal. If you cook your eggs real good, it comes out nice and soft, you know, but if you overboil it, it comes out like, you can bounce it on the floor. I heard that TikTok has made people come up with little businesses to do. I don't know, because I don't do TikTok. I do TikTok. It's TikTok. Some people can really do it, eh? Like they're really good. But I did one with my daughter the other day, and she didn't upload it. Because my daughter Geneva, she's that sort of girl that if it's not right, she's not going to put it up. But me, right or wrong, I'll put it up. I found a half an egg. Yeah. So all of a sudden all the t-shirt printing machines got all sold out. But it's good. Why not? But whenever you start something, always, and I'm not joking about this, always ask for God's approval. Right. I truly believe in that, because but when I do ask for God's approval, either it will happen. This is how I can tell that God's given me a yes. This is my way of thinking at it. Okay. If I ask God to please approve it, if he sees fit, that is, you know, it's up to God. He's the boss. He's our boss, guys. Yeah. And if he approves it and he thinks that, yeah, oh, look at all this onion. Oh, it's all in the shell. Guys, I told you, I overboiled the water just to the flavors together, and I overcooked my onion, and I thought, where's all my onions? There it is. Hang on, must up clunk. When I ask God for his approval and I get this happy feeling about it after, trust, God has given me the thumbs up. But if I ask God's approval and I'm not feeling happy and it just doesn't feel right, I'll accept it. I'll accept it straight away because that's God's answer to me. It might not even happen. It might happen later. But in how I pray, when I ask for God's love and approval on stuff, if I feel happy, I feel He's given me the answer. And then I go ahead and I do it. And it always hurt. Guys, there used to be bello. It always comes right. Honest. That's why I always say, I feel so blessed, you know. But when I ask and it doesn't happen, and I don't feel like that happiness, it's because God said, you know what, little moipi, you sit back, you behave yourself, it ain't gonna happen. God has answered, no can do, little girl. Even though I'm an old lady. But God is our Father. So, I'm His daughter. Do you guys feel that? That you are His kids? God. I do. We all are. Some may not look at it that way. But I believe it. I think it. When you cook an egg, right, you cook it, boil it just a little bit, and then you tip out the water, and you quickly put it in cold water, and you leave it in cold water. Guys, leave it in cold water and you go and do something else. Come back later, give it a tap, just to crack the egg, tap, 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 and then you roll the egg. Roll the egg, and when you peel it, the egg should come out real good. Not like back in the days. You know how you're peeling it and then all the shells come off and it's stuck to this white stuff, and then you start peeling half of the egg and then you're unhappy and then you eat all of it with part shells and everything. Nah, that's how I used to peel it. I just have this. First mussels is the orange one. You know why? Because I find it sweeter than the white one. So every time I see the orange one, ooh, excited. I know some of you guys have said that you guys want me to cook. I will eventually, guys. Oh, this is so nice. Guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'll leave this tail for Mr. Tangaroa. And, yeah. And that's it. Oh, that was beautiful. That was so beautiful. Now, I can go and edit this video and put it up for you guys. So, are you guys missing traveling? I am. This is so much. You know, we don't really look at it, you know, we take things for granted, eh? But then when it's gone, you really look at it like you really miss it and everything. But we gotta ride this through, guys. We gotta ride this through. Okay? Because the government's gonna give us an injection, as they call it vaccination, but it's gonna be like a chip for us. It's like a number. Yeah. But that's the number I keep saying. Probably numbers. But anyway, we just have to go through it. We can deny it, we can decline it, but it's going to happen. It's going to happen because it's in the Bible. And whatever's in the Bible, trust and believe it's going to happen. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. Oh, kala mā ngai o mea ainga ainga ia so whawhakaiwi ia lea li. So beautiful. So delicious. Oh, what time my daughter going to be home? Anyway, I don't know if you guys have seen my children on the picture I put up on my Instagram or my Facebook, my favorites Facebook. Yeah, well, like I said, my daughter's got all their siblings together and with their partners and everything, and we ended up going to the seafood restaurant to celebrate my husband and our granddaughter's birthday, because they share the same day and month. And so they're Virgos, and you know Virgos, my husband always says Virgos are perfectionists, and I go, ooh, Scorpios are too. Anyway, fast forward, you guys all take care of one another, guys. Be careful as you go on the road. If you go long distance and anything, you know, have a quiet prayer with God just to guide you along, get you to the other side safe. Okay, guys? But as for now, it's a goodbye from me. Whāsau fua, all take care, and God bless you all.